Hey, welcome back, Super Stock Bros. Today we got the proof Amazon is investing in blockchain and BTC. Ace and I are going to tell you all about it. Let's get the show started. Okay, so you all heard the rumors. Amazon is investing in blockchain technology, developers, Bitcoin. It's not a rumor, it's real. Ace, what do you have for us?
Alrighty, so first things first, a little bit of a recap of crypto in the last couple of weeks. It's been a roller coaster, of course. If you haven't been paying attention the last few months, marked by the peak of the Elon days, where he went on SNL, and then Doge and Bitcoin both came down hard after that. Lately, it's been kind of up and down with news and China constantly decrying Bitcoin and all that stuff, and we've been playing the swings a little bit in the Discord channel or offline. But over the last couple of weeks, especially, I've been watching very closely for any kind of news like this. We want to see any kind of adoption news at all. And it looks like the entire crypto market is looking for something similar. And we'll tell you why. As soon as Amazon put up a job posting with they're looking for a digital currency and blockchain product lead, the entire crypto market basically went up 20%. And is it a surprise at all with one of the biggest retailers, actually the biggest retailer in the world, serving up a crypto adoption? Yeah, that's going to be a huge catalyst for Bitcoin. And we saw it happen live.
Okay, so Ace, what does that mean? So we saw like the chart. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart today. It shot up on this supposed rumor, but as you can see after hours, it's kind of taking a dip. This is recorded July 26, 2021. So it went up immediately on this news. Can you tell us more about that job post? You're a developer yourself. So like, what does this mean to you as a developer in the developer community? Are they like now hiring? Like, are you interested? Are you think developers are going to be interested? Have you talked to any yet? What's going on there?
Yeah, so this is a very interesting thing. And I mean, I've been a part of a company that has wanted to hire crypto devs. It's happening in multiple companies for developers that I know that I work with. They've hired a crypto lead and have started the implementation for accepting crypto payments because now it's actually become so easy. A bunch of APIs have been developed for the key crypto currencies like Cardano and Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum. So once you get these APIs and the technology ready and battle tested, as they say, then you have the possibility of integrate it with existing companies. So you've seen it, Square, PayPal, other apps like that. So once that happens, the next step is to get it into the retailer's hands. And not only that, it's the retailer's hands for which they've developed it with a professional and a professional team, and at that point, they can say, okay, let's test this out. We'll start small first, maybe a couple cities, probably going to release in a couple of countries first. Accept crypto payments. If it works out, if they can accept the load, if they can accept and scale it up, then they'll put it across the whole site. But I mean, this is just step one for Amazon, and they've immediately, well, I mean, we'll get into it, but they've immediately said, hey, slow down. We're just thinking about it. And yeah, that's essentially
Any
it
any
at this
any
point.
other news articles you can share with the stock bros watching this right now?
Yeah, so here's what happened after that, right? What happens is Amazon immediately says, they're lining things up, but it's not going to happen yet. And then they subsequently denied, hey, we're not going to accept Bitcoin this year, but we're going to continue exploring cryptocurrencies. And they'd be foolish not to. This is looking like a direction for which the industry is going. You accept payments, accepting any kind of payments. You just want, all avenues of cash coming into you. Why not, right?
So is this support for cryptocurrencies going forward? What's your sentiment on that now? Now that like one of the largest retailers on earth is considering crypto as a payment, what does that mean to you? What does that mean to society?
So this is an interesting thing. It's a great question, Bub. The thing is, you want to see crypto work at scale. I personally believe that's a tough one to prove out. Blockchain has been extremely slow with the original implementations. Ethereum tried to build on that, and you have the latest crypto technologies actually doing very well. I think Cardano is going to be one of the main ones that really prove it out. Ethereum kind of failed with their decentralized apps, but they've made some improvements along the way. So what does this all mean? Even if you get it into the hands of these retailers, they're going to test it. And if they see that it doesn't work at scale, if they see that their customers are having a bad experience, then they're just gonna shut down the project, and that would be extremely detrimental to crypto. But I mean, just look at what happened to the entire crypto space. This is just BTC. As soon as that news came out, BTC popped from 34 to 39 almost instantly. And that was like over a couple hour period, pretty much, right? So you can
Okay.
just imagine the effect of a successful trial and an actual announced adoption.
So stocks to buy then. I listed Mara, Riot, and GBTC. Just looking quickly, 5 days chart on GBTC, it's up 38%, and in 1 day, it's up 24% alone. Do you agree with these three picks if stock bros want to play the swings? For example, Mara and Riot are Bitcoin miners. GBTC supposedly tracks Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin trust. It's owned by ARK Invest, trusted by Kathy Wood. What are your thoughts on these three picks and going forward?
So yeah, great question. I think you laid it out very well, and actually, you've had a video on it before, Bub, with the GBTC and other ways to play crypto without actually getting into crypto exchanges and everything like that. Now, I mean, for pure crypto enthusiasts and investors, yeah, you're going to go to those exchanges, get your cash, put them in hard wallets, or the crypto and put them in hard wallets, right? For people that are not able to do that, and for example, ARK, which has the money on exchanges, and they have to show to their investors that they're trading with stock tickers, right? They can use GBTC, like you said in your video. Now I like GBTC. I like BTBT is pretty good, and it actually went up a ton. Actually, if I type it in here, you'll actually see how much it went up. It was a crazy amount. I think it went up 89. It was up 100% at one point. So BT is another one. It's on the riskier side. Riot, Mara, MSTR are the big ones. And as you can see, they're all up 20% or more today, let alone the options. I've been tracking some of the Riot options, went up easily 400%. MSTR's options went up 3,000%. So these are just some of the things that you can do with these crypto news and adoption news that's coming from all directions and will continue to come.
Wow, I think that's good. Let's leave it off at that point. And Stock Bros, look at those tickers, check it out, and Ace and I will be back with more information for you guys. Take care, have fun.
Let's make those gains.